Space tourism, the new frontier. For centuries, space was a realm reserved for astronauts, scientists, and national space agencies. Today, that reality is changing. Space tourism, once a concept confined to science fiction, is emerging as a bold new frontier, promising ordinary people the chance to experience the wonder of space. As technology advances and private companies invest heavily in commercial spaceflight, humanity stands on the edge of a new era of exploration and travel. What is space tourism? Space tourism refers to commercial travel beyond Earth's atmosphere for recreational purposes. Unlike traditional space missions focused on research or national security, space tourism is designed to give civilians a direct experience of space. This may include short suborbital flights offering a few minutes of weightlessness, orbital trips around Earth, or future stays in space hotels and lunar excursions. The rise of private space companies. The growth of space tourism has been driven largely by private aerospace companies. By reducing launch costs and developing reusable rockets, these companies have made space access more feasible than ever before. Early tourist flights have already demonstrated that commercial space travel is not just possible, but sustainable in the long term. Competition among private players is accelerating innovation, improving safety, and gradually lowering costs. What was once a multi-billion-dollar government endeavor is now becoming a market-driven industry with global ambition. Types of space tourism experiences. Space tourism is not a single experience, it includes several emerging categories. 1. Suborbital flights. These short trips take passengers just beyond the edge of space, allowing them to experience weightlessness and view Earth's curvature before returning. The entire journey typically lasts a few hours. 2. Orbital tourism. Orbital flights involve traveling around Earth, offering extended views of the planet and longer periods in microgravity. This type of tourism is more complex and costly but provides a deeper space experience. 3. Space hotels and stations. Future plans include commercial space stations and hotels where tourists could stay for days or weeks. These facilities would offer research opportunities, luxury accommodations, and unparalleled views of Earth. 4. Lunar and deep space tourism. Looking further ahead, companies envision tourist missions around the moon or even to lunar surfaces. While still experimental, these plans represent the long-term vision of space tourism. Why space tourism matters. Space tourism is more than a luxury experience, it has broader implications for humanity. Technological advancement. Innovations developed for space tourism often benefit other industries, including aviation, energy, and communications. Economic growth. The industry is creating new jobs in engineering, tourism, training, and space infrastructure. Inspiration and education. Seeing Earth from space can profoundly change perspectives, encouraging environmental awareness and global unity. Pathway to space colonization. Tourism helps build the systems and experience needed for long-term human presence beyond Earth. Challenges and concerns. Despite its promise, space tourism faces several challenges. High costs. Space travel remains expensive, accessible mainly to the wealthy. Safety risks. Spaceflight carries inherent risks, and ensuring passenger safety is critical. Environmental impact. Rocket launches contribute to emissions and atmospheric effects, raising sustainability concerns. Ethical questions. Some question whether resources spent on tourism should instead address global challenges on Earth. Addressing these issues will be essential for the responsible growth of the industry. The future of space tourism. As technology matures, costs are expected to decrease, making space tourism more accessible to a wider audience. Advances in spacecraft design, propulsion systems, and space habitats will expand the range of experiences available. In the coming decades, space travel may become as transformative as early air travel, once exclusive, now commonplace. Conclusion. Space tourism represents the next great leap in human exploration. It blurs the line between science and adventure, opening the cosmos to civilians for the first time in history. While challenges remain, the momentum behind space tourism is undeniable. As humanity reaches beyond Earth not just to explore, but to experience, space tourism truly stands as the new frontier, one that could redefine how we see our planet, our technology, and our place in the universe. Rocket globe showing Europe-Africa.